Case presentation. Today's patient is an 11th grade student who had been experiencing hearing loss in one ear for several weeks. The patient tried taking medication without medical advice, but the symptoms did not improve. During the ear examination, I found that the ear canal was completely blocked by a large plug of impacted earwax, along with inflammation of the outer ear canal. After the ear was carefully cleaned, the hearing returned to normal immediately. Understanding the condition. Impacted earwax is a common cause of conductive hearing loss. When earwax builds up, it can block sound from reaching the eardrum. In some cases, prolonged blockage traps moisture and debris, increasing the risk of otitis externa, also known as an outer ear infection. Hearing loss caused by earwax is often reversible once the obstruction is safely removed. How the ear was cleaned. Under endoscopic guidance, I first used a fine instrument to gently separate the impacted earwax from the wall of the ear canal. I then carefully removed the earwax in small pieces to minimize discomfort and avoid injury to the ear canal. Finally, any remaining debris was gently cleaned away with a cotton applicator, leaving the ear canal clear and allowing the eardrum to be fully examined. If you notice persistent hearing loss, ear pain, or a blocked ear sensation, don't rely on self-medication. An examination by an ENT specialist can identify the underlying cause and provide safe, effective treatment.